Good afternoon, everybody, and I really hope you enjoyed carrots because today I'm going to be making 12 mini carrot cakes. And the first ingredient is 250 grams of carrots, almond flour 70 grams, potato starch 50 grams, 1 yolk, orange peel 1, baking powder 8 grams, sugar 150 grams, flour 180 grams, 1 egg, and sunflower oil 120 milliliters, and vanilla flavoring. Now I have got the carrots and I have peeled them and I have washed them. And I have got a mixer and then I have chopped the carrots. Then I have got 1 egg and I have divided the yolk and the egg white. Then now I can get the egg whites away and I can use the other egg and I can put it in with the yolk. After I have put the egg in with the yolk, I can get the sugar and I can put it in. And then I can start mixing with a hand mixer until it becomes very soft, foamy and clear. So now we can add the carrots into it. Now we can put the potato starch in, then the baking powder, then the almond flour, and finally flour 00. Now we can get a spoon of vanilla flavoring. Get an orange, and as you guys can see, I have already started peeling it. Now we can put the oil in and we can start mixing with a wooden spoon until it is soft. Now that it has become very smooth, as you guys can see, I have got the cupcake holder, which is paper, and I put it in here. And then I have to fill them up, not up to the top, just up to here, because then they will become more fatter. I can get a spoon and I can start putting some in. They are 6, but after these are baked, we're gonna make other 6. So we have to first put it in the oven, which is already warm, at a static oven at 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. We have finally finished my wonderful cupcakes. I really hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.